back to your question, man.
Yes. Back to your views on the waiving of the fees.
Yeah, and I say it is good. I'll accept it. Because if a man is hungry, is about to die and get food, then he's going to eat. But it's how long that belly full is going to last. It won't last for long, right? After that, we are still hungry, right? Where is the food? Where is the food coming from after that? And what the Prime Minister is saying and doing, that won't put money in our pocket, right? That won't help us to buy goods to put in our shop, right? Because there's nothing that we are holding in our hands. There's nothing at all. It is just to go back to the UDC. And somewhere in their taxes, they're gonna receive it back. So all what the Prime Minister is doing, right, which he should have been doing as a long time, as a young man who come and understand what suffering is. Unfortunately, the Prime Minister lose everything. And all that I can say to the Prime Minister, he walks inside here, he sees the condition of the craft market, he sees the suffering of the craft market, and he has done nothing. Changing Michelle Robinson died, and then put in another Miss Simit, and then in put in Mr. Samuda. And it is not just the craft market now, the whole center has suffer. The whole craft fraternity has suffer because them don't help us to get people to come into the craft market, right? So we are sitting here on items for days and weeks and months and years, and nobody come inside here, and all we are crying out, nobody seems to answer our cry.
So what would you like to see happen?
Improvement on the craft market for the UDC, who is our landlord, to come in and see and develop the craft market, improve it. That when the tourists them come, they don't turn away because of the shambles that it is into. We want help. That we don't want nobody to buy a fish and give us. We want somebody to teach us to fish. And I will send a message to the Prime Minister. Nothing that he says now and nothing that he do now that anybody will believe him. Because they are not true. And I'm not talking him alone. They are a bunch of cannot be trust persons. They are not truthful. Right? We need to see reasonable improvement. We need to see business coming to the craft market. Not only for some people. Ship come, ma'am, ship come.